Hello, welcome to Dan's IT Network. So let's continue in registering the remaining IP version 6 addresses on these devices. Okay, so we are now on this router 2. I'll go to the command line interface, hit enter to get started, enable, and then COMT, and let's enable the unicast routing, IP version 6 space, unicast tab, okay, and then routing, and then I'll go into this gigabit 0/0 port, okay, to the network 3, and it should get the second host, okay. So interface gigabit 0/0, and then IP version 6 address, and then it should be 2001. Well, what we can do it here is we can just copy this well just to make it, fast on this video tutorial, okay. So since we are on this gigabit 0/0, so network 3, actually here, okay, gigabit 0/0, and then network 3, okay, and it should get the second one, okay, which is here. Just gonna copy this second host, this router, and they'll paste it, okay, and then there should be /64, and then the local link address FE80. It should be the FE80 since we are on the router 2 is the FE80 colon 2. Okay. All right. Space link dash local. Okay. And let's type here no shutdown. Okay. Next. All right. So you notice that it turns green because the two ports are enabled. Okay. And let's go on the gigabit 0/1 on the network 4. Okay. Let's continue. So interface gigabit 0/1 and IP version 6 address. Okay. So since we are on the network 4, we should need to have the first host of the network 4, which is here. Okay, the first host. Okay. All right, and I'll paste it, and then I'm just gonna add here /64. Okay, then the local link via FE FE80 colon 2 space link dash local, enter, then type no shutdown. Now it's on, and then next port is the gigabit 0/2 on the fifth network. Okay, Ethernet gigabit 0/2 IP version 6 address. Okay, so since we are here, okay, so it's network 5, it should get the first host. So network 5, so it's the first host is this one. Okay, and I'll just paste it, and I just need to add the /64, and also I need to register the link local address via FE80 colon 2 space link dash local, okay, and then no shutdown. Okay, and then let's save the configuration by typing do space right, okay, and close this, and let's register an IP address to this PC. Okay, so the PC is on the network 4, and it should get the second host on the network 4. Okay, desktop IP configuration, and where's the network 4? Here. Okay, and just need to get the second host on the network 4. Just paste it. We're kind of cheating, right? Because we're copy and pasting, but you know what? As long as you are registering the correct IP version 6 address, because we already created them, okay, and we're using this copy paste just to to make this video tutorial short, right? Because what we're actually doing right now, it's just easy though. We are just registering the IP version 6 addresses. All right. Okay, and this is the IP version 6 address, and it should be /64. And then the default gateway on this PC, since this PC is connected to the router 2, all right, the default gateway should be the local link, all right, address on this router 2. Okay, and the local link should be FE80 colon 2. All right, here you go. And last here, okay, command line interface, enter, enable, and CompT, and then let's enable the IPv6 space unicast dash routing is enabled, and then interface, let's say which one. Let's go onto the fifth network, so gigabit 0/1. Okay, gigabit 0/1 IPv6 address. Okay, so on the fifth network here, we need to get the second host. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and here I'll paste it. Okay, and then /64, enter. And what is the local link address on this router 3? It should be FE80 colon 3. Okay, and then space link dash local, then no shutdown. Okay, and last interport is the gigabit 0/0 on the network 6. Okay, interface gigabit 0/0, then IP version 6 address. Okay, so in here we need to get the first host on the network 6. So the first host, where is it? Here we go. Okay, and I'll paste it, and then /64. Okay, and the local link address is IPv6. Okay, address FE 80 colon 3, since we are on the router 3. Okay, and then space link dash local. Just hit the tab on the keyboard, okay, to complete the wording, and then turn on the interface. All right, and it's on. And let's save the configuration by typing do right, and I'm gonna close this. And last would be the PC. Okay, so the PC should get the second host on the network 6. Okay, I'm gonna copy the second host on the network 6. I'll click this PC, and I'll go to the desktop IP configuration. Just have to paste it on the IPv6 portion, and then there should be /64, and the default gateway should be the local link address on the router number 3. Okay, that is why it's FE80 colon 3. Okay, and there you go.